Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable microphone access on the Android phone. There are two simple ways to do this, either for a specific app or completely for all apps. So let's get started. First method is to disable microphone access for a specific app. Open your Settings app, scroll down, you can see App. Tap on it. After that, go to App Management. Tap on it. Now you see App List and choose the app you want to control, like Instagram, WhatsApp, or any other app. Tap on Permissions, then select Microphone and choose Don't Allow. That's it. Now that app will not be able to use your microphone. This helps improve your privacy and security. Second method is to turn off microphone access completely. Go back to Settings, scroll down, see the security and privacy. Tap on and look for the privacy controls. Tap on. Now look for microphone access and simply turn the toggle off. Once disabled, no app will be able to use your microphone, even if permission was allowed before. This is the best way to block microphone access and protect your personal data. So yeah, that's how you can disable microphone access on Android phone easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more quick Android tips and privacy tutorials.